welcome back to Amy and Sprinkle. Today, we will be doing a how-to Minecraft video. I haven't done these in like months, so I kind of stopped posting Minecraft, but I'm bringing it back. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a backpack in Minecraft, just to take it with you, unless it makes more inventory space. All you need is a Sheckler box. You can get these from the Nether or the End, I don't really know. I think it's the End. Yeah, it's the End. You can put whatever you would like in it. Like, say my inventory was full. Put that in it. And then I have to break the Sheckler box. And then we have the Sheckler box. It tells you what's in it, like a totem of dying, diamond sword, flint and steel, and a spyglass. That's cool. It can hold basically almost all your inventory, which is pretty cool. And I can just take it out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye!